Managing posts in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to manage posts in WordPress. Let's add a new post. Click the Add New link. Enter a title for the post. Enter the content. WordPress automatically saved the post when we clicked the content field. Enter the excerpt. Enter any trackback URLs, space delimited. Trackbacks are a legacy system of notifying other blogs of links to them. The custom fields are used to add extra metadata to your post. Metadata is often used by listings with search engines. These options determine if you want to allow comments and/or pingbacks on the post. More information about comments and pingbacks can be found at Enter the tags, delimited. Tags are keywords that point back to the post and other posts with the same tags. Tags are similar to categories but more concise and do not have a hierarchical structure like categories. Click the Add button. Click the categories you want to link to the post. Let's save our post. Click the Save Draft button. By default, posts are not listed until they're published. However, we can preview it to make sure it looks the way we want before we publish it. Click the Preview button. Let's go back to the editor and publish it. First, let's look at a few of the other options. Click the Edit link. Select the status. Users with limited access can set posts to be published pending review that will not appear until updated to Published by an administrator. Click the OK button to change the status. Click the Edit link. We can set the visibility so that the page is either public, password protected, or private, and only visible to specific users when they're logged in. This option will make the post appear on the front page, even if it is nested in a category. Click the OK button to change the visibility. Click the Edit link. We can change the date and time so the post will automatically be visible sometime in the future instead of publishing immediately. Click the OK button to change the publish date and time. Click the Publish button. Scroll to the bottom of the page. WordPress creates a revision history of all of the edits made to the post so that you can restore an earlier version if you'd like. Now we can use these icons to add images, video, audio, or some other type of media to the post. You can use these visual tools that are common to many text editors to edit the post, or click the HTML tab. You can use these tools to edit the HTML code. Click the Update Post button to save any changes. Let's now go to the Posts menu. Click the Posts section. From here, we could return to the editor by clicking the title of the post we wanted to edit. Finally, let's delete the Hello World post that is created with the initial installation. Click the checkbox to select it. Click Delete from the menu. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Now let's go to the site. Click the site link. Congratulations! You now know how to manage posts in WordPress.